Hello, developers. Welcome to our channel Bishakha Tuladhar. Today's our topic is about. Let us dive in a bit. Today's topic is about to create the database, create table, and add the column in table, rename the column name in table, then change the sorry, drop the column name in table. Then second part is we will discuss about the join types. One is inner join, another is left join, which is also called left outer join. Then another is right join or right outer join, full join or full outer join, cross join. Okay. Uh, Now we will open the SQL here, new query. Oh, we have to disconnect. Okay. Now create the database. For example, we are going to create the database name .NETDocDb. You can just click the F5 or you can just click this button, execute button. Oh, yeah. In order to comment KC, okay. In order to use this database, you will write the syntax use dot net doc db, or you simply just choose this drop down. Okay. Now, as I have discussed, we will create the database. Now we will create the table. Okay. In order to create our syntax will be create table tbl employee. For example, its column will be employer id and the identity 1, 1, primary key not this identity primary key is useful for automatically increment. It will increment by 1 automatically. Okay. Let us example that there is another column name called employee name. Its data type is varchar identity. Okay. And another column is department ID. ID. Okay. Now just execute. In order to check whether the table is created or not, you can just simply write select asterisk from tbl employee. Okay. Yes, you have already created the employee. In order to insert the data, we have the syntax insert into tbl employee uh, employee name and department ID values. Let us do that. The employee name is Tuladhar then it's department name 1. Similarly, another paste, copy, paste. Another employee Ram Shrestha to Sita Shrestha. Okay, its department is not. Okay, so we will insert this. Now check whether the data is inserted or not. Execute. Oh, you can see that we have inserted the data in employee DBL employee. Similarly, we need to create the DBL department. There are another way also we can create the table. Just go here, the database, then go here, just click, right click, new table. Just write the department ID, ID, although not null, department department name, varchar 50. In order to do identity, you just simply choose your identity as yes. Okay, just do Control S, then create the department. Okay, we have created the department. Now we can simply see whether the table department has created or not. Okay, just execute. You can see that we have created the DBL employee and DBL data department. We can also insert the department from here. Just click here and edit. Yeah. Information technology. Uh, marketing. See that we have inserted both tables. Okay. Now we will discuss that add column in table, how we can add the column in table, rename column table, and drop column in table. For example, we want to add the column gender in DBL employee. Then you just write alter table DBL employee add add gender ID and T. Then just run it. Then you can see that gender ID column has been added. In order to rename the column, just type exc sp rename. Just choose the table name dot the existing column name. Okay, column name, and type which what do you want to change. Suppose we want to change gender ID new in golden. Now run this code, run this code, then you will see that the gender ID column has been changed. Now, if you want to just drop the column, then you just write author table trivial employee uh, drop column gender ID new. In this way, you can just drop the column name. Column. See, there is no. Now we're going to discuss about the join. Okay, join. There are inner joined. Join. There are inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, then cross join. Okay, first discuss about the inner join. Inner join. Select start from TBL employee E inner join TBL on department D on E dot department ID is equals to D dot department ID. Then you will see that in table employee and table department there is common that department ID is also consists in here, and in here you can see the inner join, right? Let us see the left joint. Okay, left joint. In left joint we will uh, put all the data of the employee, and if there is any data from department TPL department, we will put there, otherwise it will show the no. See, similarly in first and left right, just change the keyboard left as a right. It is also just like similar. Then go to full outer, full outer. See, you can see full outer like this. Now we'll see the cross join. In cross join, it is just will show you like Bishakha Tuladhar information technology, Bishakha Tuladhar network. Likewise, we will get the 9-row data. Okay, just write like select from video employee cross join DBL department D insert dot employee name and D dot department name. Okay, this one. You can see the result. There are 9 rows. I hope that you have just get the knowledge about the join. Uh, I will see you in next video. Thank you.